Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have this beautiful crown braided free hairstyle which is absolutely cute for an everyday or college outfits. So if you wanted to know how to get this beautiful college everyday hairstyle which takes you less than 3 minutes, then let's get into the video. And before getting into the video, please subscribe to my channel if you're new here and also like this video, and now we'll get into the video. First, I'm just parting my hair from the arch of my eyebrows. Then I'm parting my hair on the crown area, as you can see. I'm just leaving the front part of the hair at the front, and the rest of the hair I'm just keeping it at the back. And I'm taking some hairs from the front part and parting them into 3 equal parts. Once I've divided them, I'm going to braid them. So the left hair goes over the middle hair and the right hair goes over the middle hair. And this is how I do the braid. And the left hair goes over the middle hair and the right hair goes over the middle hair. And then I'm adding a little extra parting from the hair into the braid. So generally I'm going to take extra hair from the front and not from the back. So I'm going to add the front hair into the braid and not from the back. So once I've reached the end of my eyebrows, I'm just going to do a very normal 3-strand braid with the leftover hairs. And I'm securing them with a rubber band. Then I'm going to pull the hairs to make them look much more thicker and much more fuller so that the braid looks really nice and thick. Then I'm bringing the braid at the back of my hair and securing them with a bobby pin. Then I'm just covering up the bobby pin with some hairs. And that's it. It's so easy, guys. You can just do this hairstyle in less than 3 minutes and they look absolutely cute and they suit everyday outfits perfectly. So I hope you guys love this. So don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.